Hey guys, welcome back to my channel and you're watching Fashion and Fusion with Neha, and this video is powered by Foxy Famous, a well-known beauty and skincare brand. And today's video is all about your skincare, and I'm so happy to let you know that today I got my PR package from Foxy Famous. And this PR package contains few cosmetic products and few skincare products. So in this video we will be discussing about two skincare products. One is sheath mask and another one is face pack, what I have received in my PR package. This video is a paid collaboration with Foxy Famous. So let's see what I have received today. So this is a packet you can see I have received from Foxy. It's mentioned boxy outside, foxy inside. Alright, so in this one I have received, you can see, this is a very beautiful package, and you can see it's so beautifully packed. And I received two products in this one. One is Ayurvedic white sandalwood face pack, which is from Tijori, and the another one I received is this Calendula Real Nature Calendula sheath mask from the Face Shop. You just see what I received. It's from Face Shop. So guys, this is the packet what I have received, you can see. So today's video is all about these two products. So this video is gonna be segregated in three parts. In first part I will let you know the benefits about these two products and their compositions and their ingredients. So in second part I will let you know how to use these products, and the third part I will let you know what all are the major differences between a face pack and a sheet mask. Alright guys, so without any further ado, let's get started. Let's discuss the benefits of the active compositions or components of these two products. Like I have face pack, I have sheet mask. So let's start with this one. So if we talk about the sandalwood, it's also known as Chandan. Apart from that, sandalwood has a lot of benefits for your skin. Now coming to the active composition of my second product, which is Calendula. If we talk about Calendula only, it's a kind of active ingredient which comes from a plant called Calendula officinalis, and it's also known as pot marigold. Apart from that, let me take you through the benefits of Calendula. Now moving ahead to the part 2. Alright guys, so you can see my face, right? I have tied up my hair so that it will not become messy, and I already have prepared my face pack. So what I will do here, I will apply face pack on my one side, on sheet mask on my another side of the face, so that it will visible to you on the screen that what are the instant effects I get by using face pack and sheet mask. So let's start. I'm leaving it for 15 minutes. This face pack will also get dried. Its fragrance is something like cool, breezy and soothing. So guys, it's clearly visible here. All impurities and dead cells are clearly being removed from this part, and this part seems like so supple, smooth and hydrated. So yes, this is a major difference between face pack versus sheet mask. Face pack basically absorbs and washes off your all impurities and dead cells from your skin, right? But sheet mask works as a hydrating agent. So yes, so you can so the difference is clearly visible on the screen. You can see this part and you can see this part, right? So yeah, I'm done. Now moving to the third part of this video, sheet mask versus face pack. So let's start with this. It sounds so uncommon that these both are so different with each other, and many of you are not aware about the differences of sheet mask and face pack. Most of us has a wrong conception and we assume that a face pack and sheet masks are same, but no, they both are so different with each other, and they have different roles. If you talk about the usage, you have to use it in a different way. And if you talk about the benefits, so its benefits and its effects are also different, and everything is different with each other, but only one thing is there, that they both are meant for your skin. They both helps you treating the skin problems and makes your skin smooth and supple. Yes, so let's start with my first point. So the first one is affordable. If we talk about the affordability, the rates and the price of face pack starts from rupees 50 up to 100 200 like this, right? And it has a good amount of quantity in a single packet, and you can reuse it again and again up to 2 months 3 months. But if we talk about sheath mask, so sheath mask basically starts from rupees 100 up to 500 1000, and to pull it off, you apply it over the face, and yes, you are done. You can use it only once, so it's little bit costly in comparison to the face pack. All right. Now coming to the second point, easy to use. If you talk about the face pack, you have to take a face pack, then you have to take a bowl, you have to take a spatula, then you have to take a rose water, then you have to make a paste, then you have to apply it over your face, then you have to wait a long, like up to 25 minutes or 30 minutes, then you have to wipe it off, you have to wash your face. So yes, it's a very messy procedure to use a face pack. But if you talk about the sheath mask, it's really easy to use. It's a one-shot process, like you just pull it off from a packet, you just apply it over the face, you just wait up to 15 minutes. You need not to wait more than 15 minutes, and after 15 minutes you can just remove that mask. You are done. No other step, nothing else, right? Now coming to the third point. The third point is easy to carry. If you talk about the face pack, so you cannot use it while traveling outside, but if you talk about the sheath mask, you can use it anywhere. If you are traveling, if you are on the way, during that travel you can use it, because it's not so messy. Now coming to the fourth point. The fourth point is time consuming. So guys, as I already explained you the procedure, so you can understand that which one is less time consuming and which one is more time consuming. Now coming to the fifth point, hydration. If we talk about the hydration, whenever we apply a face pack on our face, so we have to wait more than 25-30 minutes. So meanwhile, after 15 minutes starts getting dry, and it makes your skin dry. It may cause a wrinkle and fine lines on your skin, right? So this is a major drawback of a face pack. If we talk about the sheath mask, sheath masks are especially meant for hydration only. So it hydrates and over hydrates your face. So if you apply sheath mask on your face, and once you remove it after 15 minutes, you can feel the difference between between the effect of face pack and a sheath mask. You can feel that your skin looks hydrated, glowing, and smooth and supple. Now coming to the sixth point. The sixth point is deep cleaning. If you talk about the face pack, it's very known and common benefit of face pack. Whenever we apply a face pack on our face, it gets dry when we start removing it. So at a time we have to scrub our face, we massage our face. So these procedure helps you in removing the dead cells and impurities from our skin. But if you talk about the sheath masks are meant to apply on a face only, on a superficial layer only. It only works as a hydrating agent. It only hydrates your skin. So it never removes any kind of impurities and dead cells from your skin. In terms of rating, I'll rate 3 out of 5 to face pack and 5 out of 5 to face sheath mask. So yes, that's all about face pack versus sheath mask. I hope you liked the video. Alright guys, so before moving ahead, I just wanted to announce one thing for you guys. Go and check foxy.in. You can get exciting deals and offers on your favorite beauty and skincare brands. Almost all the beauty brands are available on this website. Go and check it out. So stay tuned, stay healthy. Till then, bye bye.